Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is going to be the fourth video of this lesson named Albert Einstein at School. Let's begin to read together. I would request all the students to have the textbook in your hand so you can understand well. Very nice lesson from book Snapshot. This is fourth lesson of this textbook. It is going to be the part of your midterm exam, inshallah. So let's begin to understand this lesson. I'm reading from page number 29, right? Last paragraph, fourth video. Well, it is up to you, he said. I doubt if it will come off possible. The doctor had doubts about Einstein. The doubt of what? He would be once without completing his diploma. How is he going to get admission in college? It is somewhat like impossible, because if a person wants to get an admission in college, he has to first complete his diploma, right? So he said, I doubt if it come off your idea of leaving school and going direct college. I doubt it will come up. But I can see you are not doing yourself. I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying over here. But being a doctor, I can tell you that you are not doing progress over here. You are under much stress. You are taking too much tension. You are very much worried. You are not comfortable over here, and that is good for you to leave this school. How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? How long you want to leave school? How long you want me to write the duration of time? How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? Would 6 months be all right? Should I write in the certificate that you should be on leave, you should not attend the school for 6 months? And listening this, Einstein says, this is very kind of you, sir. You are so kind, sir. It's nothing, it's okay, fine. I only just stopped being a student myself. I know what is how deplorable condition of students, and I just stopped being a student just now. Before that I was only student only. Just now I'm doctor. So I know how you feel. Here you are. Dr. Well handed him the certificate and the best of luck. And he also expressed his wish, saying that best of luck. How much, sir? Albert Einstein was saying that how much he should pay for that. Nothing. If you have anything to spare, agar kuch karna hai aapko, if you want to do something, or if you want to contribute, if you want to give, then invite Yuri to a meal. My friend is there whose name is Yuri. You just invite him for a meal. He's a good friend of mine and yours too, I think. My friend also and your friend also. Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to supper. And he just took the Yuri out of supper for meal. Let me explain you in nutshell so you can understand well. I have already explained you in my way. Now this is let me summarize it. The doctor is still not convinced if the college idea would success, but is definitely convinced about the fact that Albert going to school is not doing anyone much good. Thus he confirmed if a 6 months away from school period would be enough to put his plan in place. Dr. Well tells him that he understands the situation so well because he has just stopped being a student. He even refused to take his fees and asked him to take Yuri for a meal. Filled with joy, Albert took Yuri out for supper or meal, even though he had no extra money. Let's understand. Let me adjust the camera. Yes. Isn't it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. He was so much happy and he showed his certificate to His friend Yuri said, is it not wonderful that he has got certificate and at least he has got something by which he will be able to get rid from school? Yes, it's fine. Yuri agreed. 6 months is a good period. This way you won't actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. Yeah, 6 months is good. If suppose if you don't get admission in college or institute, so you will be able to come back to school. At least you will be safe. I will never go back to that place. Albert Einstein said, I will never go to back to there. Albert assured him, I'm going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. That's all. Don't forget to get reference in writing from your mathematics teachers. First, Yuri reminded him, it's okay, fine. Albert told Yuri that he is going to visit, he is going to consult, he is going to show the certificate to the principal tomorrow, and by this way he is going to get rid of the school. And Yuri, listening this, Yuri reminded him that don't not to forget to get a reference certificate from your math teacher. Let me explain in a nutshell. On seeing the certificate, Yuri assured him that 6 months is a good time period because just in case things go wrong, Albert could come back to finish his school diploma. Albert reassured Yuri that this is not going to happen because he is never going to back to that place or school. He conveys his idea of taking the certificate to the head of the school the next day, while Yuri reminded him to get the reference letter from the mathematics teacher. Let's read further. Mr. Coach Willing, let me adjust the camera. Okay. Mr. Coach willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. Albert Einstein he had very good acquaintance, he had very good rapport, he had very good relation with a math teacher. So math teacher gave him a very good reference certificate, right? If I say, and what he was writing inside the certificate, he is there talking with Einstein. If I say I can't teach you anymore, and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be all right? He asked. If I write in reference certificate, see in foreign, what happens? Even if a person who is studying in 12th standard over here or 11th standard, 12th standard or in 10th standard, and if you want to pursue your higher education in college or in 11th standard in abroad, in UK or in Canada or in any other country, they will not give you admission unless and until you provide them reference certificate. So if you go for further certificate, if you go for further education in abroad, in Canada or in UK in future, don't forget to take reference certificate from your principal or from your language teacher. Understand? Then and then they will, without reference certificate, they will not give admission. Even if you get 9 out of 7 band, you will not be given admission, because reference certificate is a certificate in which the student is being appreciated by the teacher or by the principal, in which the principal is writing that he is so talented student, is morally is very good student, right, ethically, morally, and by intellectual level is very good student, so and so is writing. So by that certificate you will be able to get admission. So same process also happened, the same procedure also done with Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein wanted to have his admission in college direct, without diploma, without completion of diploma. So he just went to a math teacher in order to get his reference certificate, and he had very good rapport with mathematics teacher, and mathematics teacher did not hesitate to give him reference certificate. And what he says that if I write in certificate that Albert Einstein is that much able and that much capable that he even can teach math to his teacher, will it be good? Will it be okay? Yes. That saying too much, sir. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया सर, आप मेरे बारे में इतना ज़्यादा. That is too much, sir, said Albert. It's only the truth. And Albert Einstein said it is only the. See the relation between teacher and student. How much respect Einstein has for the teacher, and how much respect teacher has for the Einstein. But all right, I will put it more seriously. It was still glowing reference, and it was very good reference. And Mr. Koch made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter College Institute for the study of higher mathematics. Yeah, and it was written. Let me explain in a nutshell. Mr. Koch, the mathematics teacher, gave Albert a nice referral or nice reference certificate. He even went to the extent of saying that Albert would soon be ready to teach him, which Albert thought was saying too much. Probably out of respect for his teacher, Mr. Koch then put it in a different words but furnished the reference in a way to make it smooth for Albert to enter any college to pursue education in higher mathematics. Let us go further. I'm sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class, he said. Teacher is saying that I'm extremely sorry. I will have too much pain inside my heart to see you leaving us all alone. But one reality is that you are wasting your time over here. It is almost the only class where I am not wasting my time. And Albert Einstein see the feeling with the teacher and reality. And he told mathematics teacher that it was his only class where he don't feel wasting his time, said Albert. But how did you know I am leaving, sir? Sir, आपको किस तरह पता चला कि मैं I am going to leave this school? You would not have asked me for this reference otherwise. You would not have come for the reference. Person come for the reference only when he is planning to leave the school. I thought you would wonder. Albert Einstein said you would wonder. There is nothing to wonder about Einstein. It's nothing. I know you were going to leave before you knew yourself. And very diplomatic answer teacher is giving. I know you were going to leave before you knew yourself. Because the principal of the school already decided well in advance to expel, to banish, to check out, to drive out Einstein from the school. That's why the teacher is saying, mathematics teacher is saying, I know you were going to leave before you knew yourself. Albert was puzzled. Albert was not able to understand what was teacher saying. What did the teacher mean? He soon found out. Before he had chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher, he was summoned to the head's room. He was called, Albert Einstein was called to the principal office. Well, it saved me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside, he thought. At least because if someone wants to meet a principal, he had to wait for 1 or 2 hours outside the office. But Albert Einstein was called by principal himself, so he is saying that at least my 1 or 2 hours got saved. Let me explain you. Let me summarize this paragraph in a nutshell. The teacher expressed his displeasure about Albert leaving, but again he knew Albert was wasting his time there. Albert instantly corrected him by saying that Mr. Koch's class was only the class where he was not wasting his time. Albert didn't tell him anything about leaving, but Mr. Koch couldn't identify it long before Albert realized himself, and also because of the referral. To his surprise, Albert was called into the head's room, although he was not aware of the reason, and he was himself going to make an appointment, but he was happy that it saved him the trouble of waiting for 1 or 2 hours to meet him. Let me explain you. Let us go further. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for. But vaguely suppose he was to be punished again for bad work and laziness. Well, he had finished with punishment. He had a question inside his mind that why he had been called by the principal, and thinking that maybe he is very careless, negligent, and very careless towards his study because of that, and he was going to be scolded by the principal maybe, and well, he had finished with punishment. Now he had got already certificates and is going to get rid of the school. Let me explain nutshell so you can understand well. Albert didn't put much thought into why he was called into the office, but somehow he knew that it was to be punish him for his poor performance and lack of interest. But now he was done with all of it. I'm not going to punish you, the head teacher said. To Albert's surprise, your work is so terrible, and I'm not prepared to have you here any longer, Einstein. I want you to leave the school now. Himself. Albert Einstein wanted to leave school himself. But before Einstein said to the principal that he had got certificate, he is so mentally he is very sick and he wanted to leave. Principal himself told him that he is tired of Einstein and he wanted him to leave school. Einstein, I want you to leave the school. Leave school now? Repeated Albert Einstein. Dazed, surprised. That's what I said. That's what I said. You mean, said Albert, that I am to be expelled? You are going to expel me from school? Let me explain you. To his utmost surprise, Einstein was told that he was not going to be punished this time. The headmaster expressed that he is done with all his laziness and wishes to no longer have him be there. Albert's thought was if he was being expelled. Anyway, I will explain you, inshallah. We'll finish the lesson, inshallah, in the very next video. That will be the last and final video of this lesson. Meanwhile, if you have any query, question, feel free to write in the comment box given below the video. I would request all the students to go through this video instead of going to the other videos which are available on YouTube. Please don't do this, otherwise you will be misguided. Go to the video uploaded by your teacher. That will be good for you, right? Okay, meanwhile, take care of yourself, pray for me, pray 5 times namaz, and remember me in your dua. Allah Hafiz.